In the video, baby. Decides to clean herself.
Clean herself on camera. That's the life of a cat.
Yeah.
I gotta show what Bobo's doing. That's what Bobo does when we go into our room.
Hi.
And when we want to go to bed. Well, it's not bedtime yet. Well, it's not bedtime yet, but as you can tell by the title of this video, we're doing the, I don't really know what the heck this challenge is called, but, I don't even know what I'm going to title this video, but, it's like a game that you have to select, so that there's going to be like a spin wheel going on, and you have to pick an animal that starts with that letter, and if you don't get it within a certain time frame, like
30 seconds.
that's too long.
Fine.
I think 5 seconds is sufficient. And if you don't get it in a 5-second time frame, you get hit with a pillow. All right, there we go. So we got the capture started. And so who goes first? Do you want to do like rock, paper, scissors?
I think you can go first.
Okay.
So does that mean you spin and guess?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see.
What did we get?
W. Five seconds.
Oh yeah, I need a timer, don't I?
This is really easy. I don't really need a timer, but okay. Or I'll just put a timer on screen. I don't know. You have to go like 0 minutes.
Stopwatch. There we go.
Okay.
Okay. Go.
Walrus.
Okay. Right answer. Okay.
All right. Your turn.
My turn.
Oh, do you want me to press a button or do you want to press a button?
All right. You start the timer when it hits, I guess.
Okay.
Easy. F. Fox.
Okay. I don't need a timer. All right. Next round. Or next one. I. Iguana?
Does it start with an I?
I think so. Hold on. Going to do
Research.
his research.
Research. Iguana. Yes, it starts with an I.
Yay!
Coincidentally, I just learned this just from the Google search tab. Apparently, iguana wrestling is a thing.
That's so weird.
That sounds like gray area. Anyway.
All right.
Okay.
You want to hit the button?
I hit the button. Alright, my turn. What do I get? Oh, thank goodness.
R.
Oh, that's not much better. Rat.
Okay. Acceptable answer. Someone's got to get hit by a fucking pillow.
Come on. J for Ashley.
A jaguar.
Oh goodness. We both know way too many animals. Okay.
Oh, sorry.
My turn.
Oh,
Ostrich.
good job,
Yay.
baby. G as in giraffe. Oh, whoops.
Whatever.
Sorry.
It's my turn anyway. It's fine. I was ready. I'm ready for this. P is for porcupine. I know which one you're gonna say.
S, like a snake.
No.
Okay, you
All
hit
right,
it.
my turn.
Why?
Oh,
Oh my
thank
god,
goodness.
I thought it was
Oh
gonna
my
be
goodness.
next.
Oh my gosh. Y is for yak. Oh my god. I almost yacked. All right. Let us go. Q?
Is quail an animal?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Well.
Go ahead, you hit it.
My turn. That's really sad because that was my only Q answer too. Another I.
5.
Ibex. Haha. You
Oh,
got
gosh.
Q again.
Q? Is Q-tip an animal?
No, baby. I'm afraid you just earned yourself the very first pillow punch. Alrighty.
Is Q-tip an animal?
Oh, baby.
That was a joke.
I know. Okay. Let's go.
Okay, that's an easy one.
For kangaroo. Hippity hoppity hop. W.
It is at this moment I'd like to remind you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on post notifications so you know when we upload our next video, and give this video a huge thumbs up.
All right, and back to our regular scheduled programming.
I already said walrus, and it's probably been more than 5 seconds.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, Bobo.
I'm sorry. It was a good girl.
Okay, it's your turn.
All right. Have we said ostrich yet?
I think you did.
Oh.
There's another easy one with O. It's got
Osprey.
legs. What?
Osprey.
Okay, I don't know what that is, but all right.
It's a bird.
I learned
Osprey.
something new today.
It may be a breed of a bird, but it's a bird. Hi. My cat's giving me an adorable face.
You?
Ooh.
Umbrella? All right, go ahead.
My turn. Okay, another easy one. Dog. Doggy poos. I love doggies.
It was either cat or dog.
I know. Oh, you got W again.
Weasel!
A weasel. There you go. Perfect.
The W will not stop me today.
My turn.
S.
S. Another S. We already did snake, didn't we? Oh dear. Snail.
Technically, I should have hit him in the head,
Are
but
they an animal? Okay. Yes, they're animals.
I'll give it to you.
N.
And Nunky?
Na 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 na. Hey hey hey, goodbye. Na 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 hey, na 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 na. Hey hey, goodbye.
A nunky is not an animal.
Okay, your turn.
My turn.
W. We've already said walrus and weasel.
Whale. I've been saving that one. N. Get another chance to think of an animal that starts with N.
Nuke?
Bruh.
No, baby. I'm sorry.
I have no idea. Alright, go ahead.
Why do you keep getting the impossible letters?
H.
Is for horse.
Bobo's interested in the wheel.
E. Finally, an easy
Did you say,
one.
did we get E before and did anyone say elephant?
No, we have not.
Okay, elephant is my answer.
Mm.
Yay!
She got one.
P.
Is for peacock. Pretty peacocks.
Armadillo! Alright, go ahead.
My turn.
Q.
Ooh, oh dear.
5, 4.
Quill. No, I got nothing.
Wait, is quill a word? An animal?
It's a word. It's a part of an animal.
Oh.
J.
I already said jaguar before. A Jorce?
Fun fact.
I have no idea.
My poor lady friend seems to have lost her mind.
Okay, your turn.
All right.
T.
T is for. Oh,
5, 4,
oh my
3,
goodness.
2.
You. Oh boy.
I have no idea. Ursula.
Before we get a copyright strike by Disney.
Alright, your turn. B.
Is for bat.
I was about to grab the pillow just from it being angry at you.
Why do I get all the easy ones, especially at the start? Oh, you got.
P as in penguin.
Yay!
As long as you didn't
penguins.
say that before.
Nope. I said peacock.
Okay, good. Your turn.
Oh no. Oh.
A yak's an animal.
I already said yak.
Oh, you did?
Yes.
Sorry.
Oh dear. This is for. The yellow-bellied newt.
Hi, Bubbles.
Hi. H.
H.
You already said horse.
Mm. How about a horsey?
Mommy.
My turn. Dang it.
X. X marks the spot.
Eximaguzits. Okay. Well.
Also, I smell fish.
D.
As in a dog?
I said.
Oh, you said dog. Sorry. Forgive me. Please don't hit me in the head. A duck.
Oh, yes. A duck is an animal. Okay. We're good then.
Yeah, I'm not gonna, like, you know, hit you on the head for saying something I said. Oh, sorry, I hit it for you.
It's okay.
F.
F. Barely. Okay. Oh gosh. I already said it.
You said fox?
Yes.
Oh.
I already say what the fox say. Flamingo.
I gave Gordon that one.
I was gonna say fiddlehead spider.
Yeah.
Got V is for
Vendetta. And that's the end of the video.
all right. Hope you enjoyed. All right. And we'll see you next time. Bye bye.